IT companies come out with their earnings in the first 15 days of January. So ahead of that, you have Infosys, HCL Tech that are trending about 0.5% higher, not too much. And then there's HUL, Eicher Motors, Tata Motors that are just trending in the green as well. Let's see. The first tick is not bad, as expected, 53 points higher for the Nifty. The Sensex is up 180 points. The Bank Nifty is charging ahead with almost a 200-point gain now. And the mid-cap index is also faring well this morning, up almost 150-odd points. The market breadth is very favorable towards advances. So 6:1 in favor of the advances. And the top honors go to Tata Motors this morning, up almost 1%. Hindalco up 1%. HDFC Life, Tata Steel, and a lot of the IT names, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, are well in the green right now. HDFC Bank is well holding up. You have Bajaj Finserv that's up 0.7%. Apollo Hospital, Cipla, a couple of these pharmaceutical names are doing well. Most Nifty stocks are in the green, barring a Power Grid, a Dr. Reddy's, Bharti Airtel and HUL. That too just a smidge really. It's a good opening for the market, no two ways about that. A lot of stocks in the news which Nigel will discuss, like Dixon Tech and Uno Minda. But for now, a lot of companies like Axis Bank hitting fresh 52-week highs. So talking about fresh highs, Adani Enterprises, Axis Bank, Apollo Tyres are all sitting at fresh highs this morning. Something like Specialty Restaurants as well at a fresh 52-week high. So good opening for the market, 70 points higher now.
All right, well, let's focus on a couple of those names then from the broader market. Shyam Metallics have done an inorganic growth. For starters, the stock is up, I think, close to around 4% odd. Volume's not very, very large, but it's holding with a gain of around 4.5%. In the next 90 minutes or so, we'll try to get the management on the channel and give us further details on this. For stainless steel pipes as well as tube producers, well, there is protection that's coming in there. It was recommended in September and now it will be implemented. So Venus Pipes as well as Ratnamani Metals, both of them, they make stainless steel pipes. So they, in fact, get some protection. Let's pull up both those two stocks. Maybe we can chip in with the Jindal SAW as well to see there's a bit of a positive reaction. But some part of the street was expecting this because it was recommended in the month of September itself. Both those two stocks have opened up in the green. For Jindal Stainless, well, they don't make pipes, but they could be an indirect beneficiary. If these guys are going to be making higher amount of tubes and pipes, then it'll be an indirect beneficiary out there. On the flip side, you have City Union Bank. The gross NPA divergence is what they have reported for the month of, for FY22. Analysts also seeing a bit of a risk now. They could possibly miss their loan growth guidance. So on the back of that, that stock is down by close to around 7% or thereabouts. Sterling and Wilson, well, Vivek told us that there's strong demand being seen for the OFS. So let's pull up that stock. And Dabur as well, well, they say that they're not going to be selling more. Manglam had told us that yesterday as well. Let's see whether or not we're seeing a bit of a pullback. To be fair, if from lows of yesterday, we saw close to around 2% pullback in trade. What else, Prashant?
Nigel, City Union Bank is down a full 8% now, 174. So that's a large cut that we are looking at as far as City Union Bank goes. Punjab and Sindh Bank is another one which is down about 2.6%. Max Financial Services is coming up with